Are we ready, girl? Yeah, Captain.
Hold up.
Assalamualaikum, hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Do you miss me?
Do you miss her? Of course, it's been a hot minute since you last appeared on my YouTube channel. So as you guys already tell from the title below, today's video is going to be very exciting because literally semua orang yang pernah jumpa, pernah nampak gambar dia semua macam, oh my god, muka bakal kayak macam IZARA AISHAH.
Yes, sir.
I get that literally from a Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and here on YouTube, guys always comment dekat video yang dia ada muka dia macam IZARA AISHAH. Yes, the first moment I met her, yang masa I first jumpa dia, literally I can tell right away macam, oh my god, muka dia macam IZARA AISHAH.
Kakak ipar aku cantik.
Okay, so that's why today I'm gonna try to do her makeup like IZARA has in this picture. We'll see if she really looks like IZARA AISHAH. So without further rambling, let's just dive into the video. Based on this picture, I nampak dia buat like like smoky brown eyes with a nude lip and eyeliner and of course the brows. And her brows is a bit thinner than yours, so kita kena buat your brow a bit nipis sikit. So let's just start with foundation. Of course, she has a very flawless skin, so of course kita kena guna our favorite foundation ever. Pretty cute foundation, of course, very full coverage, yet it looks very natural, very lightweight on the skin. So one pump should be enough. Okay, look at me. So I'm gonna dot it all over her face. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it with this spongy. Okay, see it again. Alright, so done with the foundation. Now I'm gonna move to concealer. I go to this Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. So I akan apply dekat tempat yang akan highlight sebab her picture look very highlighted, so I can apply got all the high points on her face. Okay, done with the base, and now I'm gonna move on to eyebrows. So in this picture I have of IZARA, she has like dark brown eyebrows, so I'm gonna make your eyebrows a bit darker. Okay, I'm just gonna fill in her brow first, and then I'm gonna carve out with concealer, okay, to make it more defined and on fleek. It's a bit darker than what she usually go for eyebrows, but sebab IZARA gelap, so kita pakai brow gelap juga. Okay, so done filling in and outlining the brows. Now comes the most important part of the brows, is to carve out the brow so that brow dia akan nampak more like IZARA punya. Okay, so I memang suka make orang diri. So I'm gonna stand out for this. Kalau you tengok IZARA punya brow, it's dia punya brow is more arch, dia arch sikit, and then towards the end dia macam a bit thinner. So now we're gonna apply some compact powder to set all the concealer and foundation. Okay, so time for the eyeshadow. So she has like a brown smoky eye, so I'm gonna use this Tartelette Toasted Tarte palette. This has super gorgeous colors in it, very warm, very earth tone colors, so I'm gonna use this today. And first color, I'm gonna be using this color called Cozy with this brush. Apply it on her crease, but before that I akan set dulu dia punya eyelid dengan this color as more, not sure how to pronounce it, more. Then I can apply it on her eyelid first. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this color. IZARA has a kind of big eye, like dia punya eyelid besar, so I'm gonna try to mimic her eyelid on Gani. Okay, now I'm gonna be taking the color Warmth, and then I'm gonna apply on top of the previous shadow that we just applied. I'm gonna apply the same color Cozy yang I applied tadi, and I'm gonna intensify the color a bit sebab kita dah blend dengan color yang lain, so jadi pudar. This color called Fireside, and I'm gonna apply it on her eyelid. Alrighty, then I'm gonna blend all together and smoke it out a little bit more. Okay, look up. I'm gonna apply the same color on her lower lash line and smoke it out as well. And then I'm gonna blend it with this color. Okay, now I'm gonna line her waterline with this black eyeliner from Maybelline. I'm gonna apply some mascara to her bottom and lower lashes. I'm gonna be using this, the Balm Matte Lash Mascara, my favorite ever. And for the second coat, I'm going to be using this Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit. Most important part is contour to make her face a bit slimmer so that she can look like IZARA Aisha. Okay, so I'm going to be using this, the Balm Bahama Mama bronzer.
Kau.
For the nose, we're gonna contour a bit. Because you guys nose already dah mancung, tak payah nak mancung sangat lah. Yeah, I noticed in the picture, the contour she blends like, oh, her makeup artist yang buat makeup dia blend the contour sampai punya eyeshadow. So we're gonna do the same. Now highlighter. I'm gonna highlight her nose sebab dalam gambar tu nampak her nose very shiny. Diamlah burung. Aku bising. For the picture, dia tak nampak very ada highlighter sangat. Maybe sebab the angle, the straight, so tak nampak highlight. So I'm sure dia pakai highlighter. Who doesn't? So apply that. So in the picture, I think she wear like a coral pink blush. So I'm gonna mix this two blusher. This is from NYX Sweet Chick blush palette. So we're gonna mix these two color. Why you look at me?
I suka blusher.
She's obsessed with blusher, so
Nyonya.
dia akan letak macam opera Cina tu. Okay, so last step is lipstick. IZARA punya lip is a bit fuller than her lip. They're a bit bigger, so I'm gonna overline her lip a bit so that it kind of look like IZARA Aisha punya lip. So this NYX lip liner in the shade Dolly Pink. And IZARA punya lip, Cupid's bow dia a bit macam naik sikit. So I'm gonna mimic that shape. Okay, I'm gonna be mixing two lipstick today. First, I'm gonna apply this MAC lipstick in the shade Mer. Mer. Just apply it. I'm gonna top it with this Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Adore. Besarnya bibir dia. Lepas contour powder, and then you letak dekat bawah bibir you, so that dia ada nampak the shadow macam bibir you macam besar sikit. And the final step, setting spray. Close your eyes. Okay, so that will stay all day long. So that guys conclude the makeup transformation to IZARA AISHAH. So comment down below and like this video if you think I conquer this challenge into transforming her.
Thank you, baby. Bukan nombor lain.
She looks so pretty, oh my god. Dia akan jadi IZARA AISHAH nombor 2. If you cakap you ada IZARA AISHAH, literally semua orang percaya, babe.
Yes. So kadang I pergi mana-mana orang tanya, you ada IZARA AISHAH? Ya, dah percaya. I suka. Woo.
She looks legit like IZARA AISHAH, okay? Okay, so guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video as much as we did filming it for you guys. And if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, you can, because I do a lot of makeup tutorial there. So you guys should follow me on Instagram to see more makeup tutorial. And you can follow her on Instagram too. It's Hani Zamrus, right? Yeah, so the link of our social media or anything will be listed down in the description box below, so you can check it out.
By the way, thank you, baby.
She has a very nice feature. So bila I makeup, dia cantik. Dia turn out very nice. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! I freaking hate this lens, to be honest. Okay, love it. We're good.